Hey guys, it's Landry with AirMarksman here with another new product. This one is for anybody who has accidentally bumped your power wheel, loaned your gun out to your neighbor, he didn't know what to do with it, pulling it out of the truck, you roll your dial, and you don't know where your tune is. So what we have is the FX Impact Lockout Kit. Now let's go over this for the M4 and the M3 versions of the Impact. In the instructions that are on this hang tag, it'll show you've got a little break off tab that you'll use if you're putting it on an M3, but with the M4 you just use that whole version. Tools needed, you're just going to need a little Allen set. Pretty simple. Take your 3mm, undo the center bolt on your power wheel. Now when this comes off, you'll see the little ball bearings. What I'm going to do is, in this kit you'll have a cover plate, you'll have a power wheel ring, and then you'll have the little screw. So I'm going to take those pieces out so I can put my factory pieces back in the baggie included. So you have your 2 ball bearings for your detents, and then the springs that go behind those ball bearings. A lot of times you can take this little 1.5 and get it inside of this spring and pull it out that way. So now I got all the factory pieces back in. I can keep those if you ever want them for future. Now you're going to take your power ring adjustment, slide your micro adjustment forward, drop that into place, and that's going to set your power. Now the cover plate just snaps in over the rod, and this screw is installed using a 2mm Allen key. Snug that up, and it's as easy as that. Now you don't have your power wheel to adjust, you don't have anything to mix up when you're trying to shoot. You get your tune ready, and now you're not going to adjust it unintentionally. If you need to adjust your tune from here, pretty simple. You can remove this 2mm Allen screw again, unsnap the cover, and you still get all the adjustment of your micro wheel. And once you're tuned there, just reinstall. Okay guys, we're always coming out with new stuff, so like and subscribe to this video if you want to be in the loop of new products to come.